I wanted to say a few things about what it's like working with the Medical Health Institute. Um, when I first started working with them, I explained to them a few things that I was going through, and after going through my blood work and kind of dissecting it all and seeing where I was maybe a little inefficient, they were really good about putting me in a place where I am now, which is I feel really good, highly competitive. I'm crushing it in the gym, doing a lot of different things physically, mentally. I feel good. I feel sharp. I feel clean energy. I had a lot of nagging injuries, some shoulder things, and they were able to recommend and help me get through, I guess, some chronic issues I was going through. I would definitely recommend working with them. They're definitely ahead of the game. They know what they're doing. They know what they're talking about. You can tell they live, breathe, and eat this stuff. They really are pushing the envelope and want to give the best to their clients. They want to do the best they possibly can for you. So would I recommend them? Yeah, absolutely. Give it a go.